Before we start creating your Fiverr account, it is important that you already have a PayPal account. This is the only payment method available for Fiverr. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, go ahead and process it now. For those who don't know what PayPal is, this is one of the safest and most common payment methods used when doing online transactions. You can set up your bank account in PayPal so you would be able to withdraw your money from it. You can check out their FAQs section or go to YouTube and you can find tons of videos tutorials on how to set up one. PayPal might need some verification for you to be able to fully use its features. So I will assume that you already have your PayPal account set up. It's as easy as signing up with your email address and it's free. Although PayPal is the only way to get paid in Fiverr, you might probably need to purchase other gigs in the future. Here's some other options aside from using a credit card. Payoneer. This acts like a prepaid card and I personally use this with some of my other online ventures. Especially for online business platforms that only accept direct deposit, Payoneer has an easier way to get paid via direct deposit in US bank accounts. And they can provide you a virtual US or UK bank accounts. Skrill is another option for online transactions, but this is limited for some countries, same as Payoneer. So these are just some other options in case you want to expand your freelance career outside Fiverr. In this task, go ahead and go to paypal.com and set up your account if you don't have one yet. If you already have one, then we can proceed to the next lesson, setting up your Fiverr account.